So to get to the reports that'll be most helpful, that you will need most often for our data team meetings, you'll just click on Math Assessments, go to Reports. Let me move over here. And then you can access all of the reports that you'll need. So last week we used the diagnostic in our data team meetings, but typically I find that the instructional planning ones are far more useful. So if you click on that one, you can select whatever class it is that you want. And then I like to select specific students. That way you're only looking at your tier 2 and 3 students. You can go through and click their names. You can look at everybody's if you want, but it's a lot to look at all of those. So I'm just going to go ahead and just click a couple random ones here just to kind of show you. Once you've selected your students, you can click View Report. It downloads it as a PDF. It takes a couple minutes sometimes. And then it'll come up. So it's nice because it shows you for each student some suggested skills, and it shows you their most current performance too on whatever test they took most recently. So it kind of breaks down where they're at in different areas of math. So algebra, numbers and operations, whatever. So when you use the instructional planning report, it gives you that for every single student. The other one that's kind of helpful if you just want to kind of look quickly at stuff is the summary. And I'll change it to all classes. It's easier when you can see all the kids. And it also will bring up a PDF. And this one will just bring up a quick snapshot of all of your students' names. And then it gives you their rank. So it ranks them from 1 to 150, however many students you have. It gives you their grade equivalency, so what grade they're testing on, as well as their NCE score, which is what the MTSS people use for tiering, I believe. And then at the very end of the summary report, let me get down here, it gives you a list of your students who haven't tested yet, so it's easy to look quickly and just kind of see at a glance who hasn't done it. And then it just kind of breaks it down for you and shows you how many students fall into each percentile.